answer is C, which is increasing atomic number. Question number 2. The periodic law says that the properties of elements are the periodic functions of their A. Mass number, B. Atomic weights, C. Atomic numbers, D. Neutron numbers. The answer is C, which is atomic numbers. Question number 3. Elements in the same group of the periodic table have the same A. Atomic size, B. Number of electron shells, C. Number of valence electrons, D. Mass number. The answer is C, which is number of valence electrons. Question number 4. The number of periods in the modern periodic table is A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. The answer is C, which is 7. Question number 5. Which of the following elements belongs to group 1? A. Magnesium, B. Sodium, C. Aluminium, D. Calcium. The answer is B, which is sodium. Question number 6. Alkali metals. Alkaline metals are characterized by having A. 2 valence electrons, B. 3 valence electrons, C. 1 valence electron, D. 7 valence electrons. The answer is C, which is 1 valence electron. Question number 7. Which group of elements is chemically unreactive? A. Group 1, B. Group 2, C. Group 17, D. Group 18. The answer is D, which is group 18. Okay, so this question again, let me take question number 7 again. Which group of elements is chemically unreactive? A. Group 1, B. Group 2, C. Group 17, D. Group 18. The answer is D, which is group 18. Question number 8. The halogens are found in group A. Group 1, B. Group 2, C. Group 16, D. Group 17. The answer is D, which is group 17. Question number 9. As one moves across a period from left to right, the atomic radius generally A. increases, B. decreases, C. remains constant, D. increases then decreases. The answer is B, which is decreases. Question number 10. Which block of the periodic table contains the transition elements? A. S block, B. P block, D. D block. Let me take the question again. Which block of the periodic table contains the transition elements? A. S block, B. P block, C. D block, and D. F block. The answer is C, which is D block. So if you're getting any value from this video, kindly subscribe to this video and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a video, YouTube will send you notification. And don't forget to share this video to your friends so they can also have the same benefit we're getting from this video. And again, to subscribe to this channel, there is nothing much. You are not going to pay any time to anybody to subscribe to this channel. And when you subscribe to this channel, you are also helping us to be more encouraged in making new video like this, and a video in which you benefit and next generation will also benefit from. So thank you for that. We appreciate. So question number 11. Transition elements are known for all the following properties except A. Formation of colored compounds, B. Variable oxidation states, C. High melting points, D. Low density. The answer is D, which is low density. Question number 12. Elements in the same period have the same number of A. valence electrons, B. protons, C. neutrons numbers, D. electron shells. The answer is D, which is electron shells. Question number 13. The most electronegative element is A. oxygen, B. nitrogen, C. chlorine, D. fluorine. The answer is D, which is fluorine. Question number 14. Which of the following is a metalloid? A. sodium, B. sulfur, C. silicon, D. calcium. The answer is C, which is silicon. Question number 15. Ionization energy generally increases A. down a group, B. across a period, C. with increase in atomic size, D. from right to left across a period. The answer is B, which is across a period. Question number 16. The alkaline earth metals belong to A. group 1, B. group 2, C. Group 13, D. Group 17. The answer is B, which is group 2. Question number 17. Which of the following elements exists as a diatomic molecules? A. Neon, B. Argon, C. Chlorine, D. Helium. The answer is C, which is chlorine. Question number 18. Elements in group 17 generally have A. 1 valence electron, B. 2 valence electron, C. 7 valence electron, D. 8 valence electron. The answer is C, which is 7 valence electron. Question number 19. The F block elements are also known as A. Noble gases, B. Metalloids, C. Inner transition elements, D. Halogens. The answer is C, which is inner transition elements. Question number 20. Which of the following increases down a group? A. Electronegativity, B. Ionization energy, C. Atomic radius, D. Non-metallic character. The answer is C, which is atomic radius. Question number 21. Which element is most reactive in group 1? A. Lithium, B. Sodium, C. Potassium, D. Hydrogen. The answer is C, which is potassium. Question number 22. Metals are generally A. Brittle and dull, B. Poor conductors of heat, C. Malleable and ductile, D. Gaseous at room temperature. The answer is C, which is malleable and ductile. Question number 23. The noble gases are stable because they A. Have large atomic sizes, B. Are metals, C. Have complete outer shells, D. Easily lose electrons. The answer is C. Have complete outer shells. Question number 24. Which of the following is not a transition metal? A. Iron, B. Copper, C. Zinc, D. Calcium. The answer is D, which is calcium. Question number 25. The metallic character of elements decreases A. Down a group, B. From right to left across a period, C. From left to right across a period, D. With increase in atomic size. The answer is C, which is from left to right across a period. Question number 26. Which group contains elements with 2 valence electrons? A. Group 1, B. Group 2, C. Group 16, D. Group 17. The answer is B, which is group 2. Question number 27. Before we finish this video, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a video, YouTube will send you notification. And don't forget to share this video so that others will benefit from this video. And to subscribe to this video, you don't have to pay anybody a dime. And while subscribing to this video, you are helping to encourage us so that we will keep on making a project like this. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. Question number 27. The first element in period 3 of the periodic table is A. Sodium, B. Magnesium, C. Aluminium, D. Silicon. The answer is A, which is sodium. Alright, question number 28. That's which property is common to all transition elements? A. High reactivity, B. Colored ions, C. Ability to form complexes, D. Low melting point. The answer is C, which is ability to form complexes. Question number 29. Non-metals are generally A. Good conductors of electricity, B. Malleable, C. Ductile, D. Poor conductors of heat. The answer is D, which is poor conductors of heat. Question number 30, which is the last question we promise you. The question goes as this. The element with atomic number 17 belongs to A. Group 1, B. Group 2, C. Group 17, D. Group 18. The answer is C, which is group 17. I know most of you will have questions to ask me. This group 17 and group 18, but you need to research more to know about this. And we have videos that will break this down.